Greetings everyone, David J. Coon with Qigong Awareness. So you are tuning in for one great exercise for bringing healing to the upper back. Are you all ready? I'm going to show it to you. Here it is. This is a bottle of water. It's been actually sitting next to me while I'm practicing Qigong. And if you haven't checked out the videos on the power, the hidden messages of water by Dr. Emoto, check it out, because the hidden messages in water are very, very powerful. And the consciousness, the mind, actually has the ability to influence the water all the way down to its little molecular structure. So if you haven't seen that, I highly recommend checking it out, because literally by just writing the word love on your water bottle, you're influencing that water. Okay, they literally have studies they've done where they take not tap water, they do that too, but where they literally pull water out of like a swamp or something, and then literally do some magic over it, and it literally changes the water all the way down to its molecular structure. That's scientific. All right, now you came here today to have one very powerful exercise to bring healing to the upper back. Check it out. Here it is. Good, clean water. Whenever your body starts getting stiff in your upper back, I can guarantee you, almost guarantee you, you're not drinking enough water. Maybe you lifted weights, maybe you did something, maybe you did this, maybe you did that. That's why you say your back is stiff. You sat at the computer all day. But guess what? The very first thing I'm going to tell you, drink more water. All right. Next one, go here like this, under, over, under, over, under, over, just light, easy, under, over. And we're going to kind of combine this. It may look like more than one exercise, but we're just going to call it one exercise, because this combination here opens up the back. Now, my arms are a little less, my arms, shoulders, etc., back, a little less stiff already. Now that I'm doing this, my hands are kind of tapping on my body. I don't know how well you can see that, but I'm tapping here. So I'm tapping here, I'm tapping here. I go under, I go over, under, over. Now I'm gonna make circles coming this way, circles. And if I'm really stiff, I'm gonna have small circles. As I become less stiff, I'm gonna go bigger circles. And I'm not going to go fast, especially if I'm tight, like I myself from working out and training. I'm a bit tight right now, so I'm going to go slow circles like that. You might just be stiff because your shoulders, for whatever reason, you're at the computer all day. But I'm going to rotate. Now I'm going to go back the other way, other way, other way, other way, other way. Now I'm going to come back this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, back the other way, other way. Now I'm going to go under, over. This tapping, when we do this tapping, it's called Dao In, it essentially means tapping. But we have these acupuncture meridians along our body that are very important and related to what we have going on in our back, okay? Now, we're going to have to change the title on this one, because I got to give you one more exercise. So we're not going to do one simple exercise. We're going to do at least two simple exercises. So we'll call the water the third exercise. So we're going to call this one 3 simple Qigong exercises for the upper back, okay? Because I got to give you one more, okay? Why? Because I know what causes upper back pain. So normally, right, we feel upper back pain, you're like this, you got to hold this. It's like, and this is like, can be hard to massage back here. The gallbladder meridian, if you're familiar with meridians at all with acupuncture, it runs right up here, and there's a acupuncture point here called gallbladder 21. It's right at the corner here of the back of the collarbone over here. So the gallbladder meridian also runs down the sides of the legs. It is a lot easier to tap here than it is to tap here. So we can tap here, okay, if we can reach, but some days we may be so stiff you can't even like really reach up here very well. So the third exercise I'd like to give you here is tapping the sides of the legs like this. Look, you're tapping the sides of the legs, because this is the gallbladder meridian right here, okay? The heart of it. This is a big heart of the gallbladder meridian. And by the way, this will also help your lower back. So not only will it help your upper back, it will help your lower back as well, okay? Tapping, 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 tapping. That's it. Brush your hands off and go back to the one other exercise that I gave you. What makes this a Qigong exercise? Because I Qi'd my water. I said good things over my water. I said love to my water. And then I drank it. That keeps the blood thin, it keeps the blood moving, and it gets rid of the congestion and the poisons going on in your body. So make sure you drink plenty of water if you're having challenges with your back. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next set of videos.